Alright, today we got a little workout going on. We're gonna be doing some hills, and we got some frat boys coming, we got some D3 athletes coming, we got some just like casual couch sitters going. So we're gonna see if they're built for D1 cross country. No, you think these guys are making it through the workout today?
Hell no.
All right, the workout for today, the boys are gonna be doing 12 hills, and I'll be coaching them up throughout it. We're gonna see what shape they're in. We're gonna see it.
How many hills do you think you're gonna do?
8. I'll get 8. I'll get a cool 8.
I'll go 5.
I'll get a cool 8.
I'm gonna get 100.
Oh.
I'm keeping my phone on me,
All right, he is here. He's ready for some hills. All right, guys, we just got a severe thunderstorm warning. Hopefully we get this done pretty quickly and the boys make it out alive.
Oh my.
Okay, maybe let's.
We gotta go. Yeah, are we running as fast as we can? No, we're just doing it. Fucking go.
Turn. Make this into a reel. Also like carrying like 10 extra pounds and I was actually running. Let's go. These boys are built for D1.
You already know, bro. Tarp's already off. We're running this shit. We're running around, DB.
Let's go.
We're running this
Let's
shit.
go.
Boys, you already know. To tie you, I should be able to get like 6'2".
Hill number 2. Oh no. All right, everybody, it might be time for me to get back in my car. Yeah, let's go, guys. Let's go. Keep putting that work. Keep putting the work. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Little rain never stopped anybody. Except for me, it stopped me. I'm in the car. I don't know how these guys are still running, but here's the car cam. Let's open the window a little bit. Oh, and there was some lightning. Let's go, guys.
I'm in so much pain.
I might have to retire from YouTube after this video. We just did a whole workout in the terrible clouds and storm. And look at the weather now. Bloody beautiful over there.